Welcome to today's post market analysis, and let's see how the market behaved today and according to price action what trades we could have taken. So coming to the opening of the day, yesterday we know there was continuous down movement, and all of a sudden at around 2:30 or 2 o'clock around there was huge bounce in both indices. So and it also picked up a volume from 2 o'clock only. There is bullish volume and there also bearish volume. It's kind of, I think, indecisive movement because um, sellers are pushing it down. You can see from start of the day. So sellers are completely pushing it down, and buyers have almost reached that level where it has the fall has started. So it's kind of undecisive day. So I think it is trying to take one direction, or I think both buyers and sellers are in actual real fight. So today we know market opened flat, almost near to the same close of yesterday for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Sorry, today I'm trying a split chart. Let me know if this is better or individual chart analysis is better. Okay, so yeah, opening was flat and a neutral candle. Here it is slightly bullish candle, but here you can see it is a doji candle on Bank Nifty, and then it was trying to protect that level for some time, and finally this candle has broken the day low. So if you see this candle, this is almost at start this candle. Okay, so we cannot take the, because here there is a range formed. If you see, maybe let me zoom this out for beginning of the day. Okay, so there is a breakout from the opening, so you can take your trade here, keep your stop loss here. Okay, so this is your stop loss, and you need to wait for 1:2 here. Okay, here it almost came, and it might have hit your stop loss and then came. If your stop loss is slightly better, you could have gained. But the problem is that this has CPR support here for Nifty. So when Nifty bounces, this also can bounce. So this can be a reversal day if it had bounced. So that is kind of less probability. And you can see here, wherever this price actually has started falling, made a breakout, this have almost came to this level. If it is reversing from this level, right, we could have taken the retest entry, but that didn't happen. And also if you want to really take the short position here, this has again CPR resistance. So until this point, at this level of market, right, market has not decided completely in one direction, because if it is purely bearish price action, this should not cross the 20 EMA here, and as well as here. But it actually failed at one point, and you can see later it started moving downwards again. So till now, till at this point, right, we don't have any for proper trade. So next trade we could have aimed is this one, because here from this point there is a huge bounce from here. So when it actually came here, if it is a bullish candle, we can take here, but again, depending on the candle risk reward, we could have taken. But finally you see, this has actually given this candle a complete breakout or breakdown from the yesterday's huge bullish move. This is finally able to break this, you see. So your entry should be, I think this kind of entry should have lesser stop loss, because it has broken down yesterday's low. Take profit here, entry here, stop loss here, and take profit should be 1:2. But if you feel this is very big of a move, So we can wait for the retracement here. It actually retraced, and you have a pivot resistance and then 20 MA combination. So here you see the small candle, this is the entry here. So your risk is this much only, and reward you can see it is very big until the next pivot. But it has actually broken the pivot as well and retrace, and then it stayed sideways to downwards. Okay, that is one entry here, though it is kind of giving the impression that it is giving fake breakouts. We know in a trendy day with the narrow CPR, it price tends to move in the same direction. So 1 second. So this is at sorry. So this is at 1150. Okay, until 1150 we have seen our trades, and then you can see in Bank Nifty again it is trying to it has actually broken down here again. If you feel like it is too big of a stop loss, so when it actually retraces back again, similar to similar to Nifty, you can take the retracement and then a bearish candle whenever you see. So there is a combination of 20 MA here and then yesterday's low here. So 1 2 3 bearish. So keep your stop loss here, excuse me. So entry here, stop loss here, and then take profit up to next pivot. Okay, entry here, stop loss here, take profit to next level. So you got 1 is to almost 2.5 to 3. So but it has actually moved further, but these kind of moves you can't expect, so you should actually book to the next pivot. So that's it. And afterwards, right, this is actually a support zone which we have marked from previous bounce. You can see earlier there was a huge bounce from here for the intraday level, so it has actually stopped at a very good important level. So personally I have not traded today because of my personal work, but if you really looking to take good trade, right, so this is one trade in Nifty, and this is second trade in Bank Nifty. So 1 and 2. So other than that I don't see anything here. Also you saw another 20 MA plus uh, pivot resistance which is breaking here. Entry here, stop loss here, and take profit to next pivot would be 1:1 risk reward. So I think this will be very risky trade. Okay, so if you are really aiming for this kind, these supports, still it is 1.5 times or so if you consider option trading. So these were the earlier supports where we had bounce from. This is a gap border, you can see. So I'm still leaving these levels for tomorrow, and I will remove this. Okay, I will keep this as it is because it was taking resistance. One second, I think we missed another trade here. So another trade would be here, there is a supply zone. So I think market was trying to break this level, you can see. So entry here, stop loss here, and take profit here. So this is also 1:0.8 or something. So but there was an another very good area to take the trade, because at this point you can't decide. Sometimes market comes here and this sloping moving average will be pointing this side, and it slowly actually trends up. So the narrow CPR indicates a trending day, but you don't know what move, this side or this side the move is coming. So we have to really wait for some time. If you have taken short position here, immediately it will try to bounce, and then we will be taking next 20 MA plus pivot point resistance, and here whenever a bullish candle is taken, instead we'll go in this direction. So that is another trade I think in the opening of the day I missed. So I will still keep these levels for tomorrow, and this would be our day low. And immediately you can see there is another gap border here. I think we should not see much bearish move today, though the area looks very clean. If you see here, after this for Nifty, after these two levels, right, you don't see next pivot is here. So if there is huge gap down indicating a bullish thing, so I would rather go long and take profit here or pivot. If there is huge gap down, I think we should go long rather than going down further. And if there is a gap up, I think if we get a bearish candle like this, I will enter here, keep the stop loss here or here based on the opening. So tomorrow we have Fin Nifty opening, so I will be trading on Fin Nifty. But sorry. So going in one direction is tomorrow is very difficult, so we should be careful in taking the trade. Okay, I will keep this support zone as it is, and let's see how the market opens tomorrow and trade accordingly. Thank you. Bye.